How to pin multiple locations on Google Maps. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can pin multiple locations on Google Maps. Now it's quite simple and quite easy, so let me get you through with a video. First, what you want to do is open up the Google Maps app here, and here you can see I have pinned two different places here. This one here with the green Himalaya Academy, and if I head here you can see there are two different pins that I've made here on the screen. Now, how do you pin multiple locations? Now, to pin multiple locations, what you can do is search for the location that you want to pin. You can search it from your search bar, or you can just head into maps and select. Now, suppose this is the place that I want to pin. Simply tap on the place and you can see a red pin will appear here. Now, at the bottom of the screen, you can see various options: directions, start, call, save. Simply drag towards right, scroll to the right, and here you'll find the option save. Now, simply tap on save and it will give you four different options: want to go, favorites, travel plans, shared places, or you can add a new list here. So you can choose anyone you like. I'll just select on my want to go and then simply tap on done, and this place will be pinned on your map. Now you can see it's pinned here like before, or if you want to pin it on a different, what you can do is simply tap on save and remove it from here and tap it as favorite, and if you remove here you can see it'll be pinned here. Now similarly, if you want to pin another location, you can tap on the location and then again tap on save and then choose the option that you want to save to and then tap on done, and your location will be pinned again. You can see two different locations pinned, and my before two locations were pinned here as all. So this way you can pin multiple locations on Google Maps. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.